Hey there. I know this is not a normal time, but I wanted to show you the new Simple that I put up in the store. It's free so that you could get started. Maybe you're going to think about doing some sort of memory keeping. I know it sounds scary and kind of weird to say, I'm going to scrapbook. It just sounds like a big undertaking, and it's really not. You could just do one 12 by 12, one full sheet of paper, get a cute little frame and put it on the wall, and that's all you need to do. But it gets your photos out of your phone, and that's really our goal. We want to share them. So I hope that you let me know when you're here. And in the meantime, I know it's a weird time, so the recording will go up. Hey, Penny. And if you're not able to watch right now, you're probably in the middle of the end of Friday. But anywho, let's get started so I can show you. So first things first, there is a blog post today, hi Christine, that talks about what you need to do a Simple. And you'll find it at my website. You'll also find in the files section that I share this file with you. This is a Simple, and a Simple is designed to give you spaces for your photos, so you don't have to stop and think about what's the page going to look like. So it's an SVG. It comes in pre-sized. It's really easy to cut. They're just one. There is a layered version too, and I realize that it's giving you error messages, so let me correct it and I'll upload it again if you went in already and got it. The layered one's not there. It will be there though. But this is it, and you're wondering, oh, that doesn't look like anything. But if I take off the outside, this is using the Whisper White 12 by 12. It works great. Hey, Lynn. Carla, welcome. Hey, Jeannie. So what's cool about it, though, is you kind of need the toolkit. That's the beauty. If you don't have a toolkit, you know, you can, I keep my extra photos in here. You need a pair of scissors, and you need one of my Simple toolkits. My Simple toolkits are basically the little templates that fit the squares, the spaces that I give you on, well, Simples. So I'm going to take this off carefully from my mat, and then I picked, actually, and I try not to pick things that are discontinued, but this is some of that butterfly gala paper that we had during Celebration, and this purple was just the color I needed. So it is one that you can't get this purple paper anymore. I bet you might, if you picked up a bunch of things during Celebration, you might have some of this. So what I'm going to do first, and it actually kind of got bent in the, but it'll flatten out when I get it in the frame. And you're going to also need your snail. First things first, I'm just going to pop this down on my 12 by 12 because I want to show you how really easy this is, and it's not daunting. So don't feel like, oh, I don't know, I can't do this. You really can. This is not hard. I make it really, well, simple for you. So you just center this. See, there's no measuring. Just center it right by looking around the edges of your paper and pop that on down. These larger ones are designed to fit your 4 by 6 photos. So and I also share with you my favorite printer. It's the Selfie printer from Canon. These were on my phone. I literally printed these 2 minutes ago. They print beautifully, and I only print what I need. I don't end up with tons that I don't know what to do with. They come out and you just break these little ends off. So if I wanted this one, but I don't, the ones I want to use, I already figured out which ones. I love Lucy's, and it does fit perfect. I love Lucy, right? But it wasn't Lucy's birthday, so she may not get on this one. We'll see. I'll put her right there. She might make it. The one I wanted of Grace that I want full size is that one. And where's the other one? it might be this one with the cake, or it might be Lucy. We'll see. So first things first, we're just going to take off these little pieces. And this is ready to pop down right there. And then I'm going to wait on this one. And you're wondering, well, what about, you don't have room for all those photos. But I do. These are the spaces that are going to hold photos. They could hold a stamp or an embellishment. But if you look right here, you can see this fits that space exactly with no border. If I wanted a border, I could use a little bit smaller one. So I'm going to take my photo, and you position this on top of the photo, and you can see what you're going to get when you trim it down, what's left over. So I kind of like a little bit less of all the people. I miss the wings, and you're like, oh, I can't cut my photos. I just printed it. I could print another one. So I take my long bladed scissor. Grace is the star of this. She's the one I want. And wait till you see, once you trim this, you won't feel like you missed anything. And that's going to go right there. So there's that one. Now this one is the garland that I made her. So again, I could do this and I could get almost all of them, but if I'm a matchy-matchy person, which those of you that watch me know I am, I'm going to try and do this because I don't really want, I want the same size. And that lets me get 2 fairies, which is good. If I go this way, I can get 2 full fairies, even better, and I don't need the Cricut. No, there wasn't, Kathy. I just popped in. You didn't miss a thing. I just felt like popping on. No plans at all. It was raining this afternoon, so that's going to go like that, right? All right, 2 more spaces. And I need to choose. So I have this one of Aunt Kitty and Grace. I hope someone has a timer. You can see how fast we're actually putting a layout together. And I did not plan this, really, other than to print out the simple out of Whisper White. That's going to go there. This is going to go here. And then I need one more for right here. And it's either going to be this one or this one. And I have to decide which one fits better. And I think it's going to be this one with the cake. As much as I like Lulu, it's not her birthday. So I can do this and have some border, or I can have it match this one of Kate. Or maybe I can come back and go, you know what? I could even trim this a little bit more. I think I'm going to do that. And it will look a little bit better. It brings Grace more front and center. No measuring, no muss, no fuss. There are a limited number of toolkits still on the website. If you don't have one, you really want to pick one up. And then this one is gonna go, Kathy, it's a brand new one. Brand new simple. It is on the website. It's free. Those are gonna go there. And then I need to do my last one, which is the birthday cake one. Which is gonna go just like that. I can get her crown and the cake all in one. You're pushing your scissor right against the toolkit. Okay, now we are ready. We've done all of our tough work. Let me get all these scraps out of the way. I still have that cute photo of Lulu. And I am ready to put these right down. Yep, we're good. And this one, you'll notice that I brought this in a little bit different. It's not quite centered. And I did that because I'm going to want room for these. But you could put it wherever you want. On the layered one, it allows, I cut you some darker squares if you wanted to do something a little bit different and get more of a border. Changing up my snail is super quick. Snail makes doing this so easy. Pop you right in here. And then you could use dimensionals if you wanted a little bit of dimension, but I'm good with these the way they are. It was a fairy party. And notice this circle that's right here at the bottom. That is where I'm going to use my Fairy Celebration stamp set. Kathy, this is from the Butterfly DSP that was part of Celebration. It is not available anymore, which I know I tell you I don't usually do that, but it just fit this layout perfect and I had one piece left. So I decided to pop it in because this is for me. So I have this, which is ready for my fairy. And I am going to use the one that's just the back of the fairy. And she's going to fit right here. And then, what do I have? I have Happy Birthday, which could go on a nice little, I could use it on a label. Remember, I have these pieces left over from the Simple, right? That you're kind of tempted to toss. Don't do that. And I could use those to add little sentiments under my photos. This is one of my favorites. This is the plain label punch. Now I'm not sure if these sentiments will fit on there, so let's check it out and see. Here's our Happy Birthday. Oh, I bet it will. So let's move you over so we're not stamping on our photos. And let's bring you back. Now I don't need all this stuff. I can kind of get rid of some of it. Need you for now. Yeah, you could do a full-on title at the top. I could cut out Grace's 4 with my. That's the beauty of Simples. You could do as much as you want. Now I could do my title in Design Space and add that to it. I could create my own, punching out my letters. Lots of things that you can do. I'm going to grab my gorgeous grape. And again, why I love Stampin' Up, my colors all coordinate. I don't have to worry that, well, is that the right green? Is that the right purple? Does that go? It goes perfect. Because I know that it goes perfect. They tell me on the little label what I need to have. Even if it's crooked, it's not going to matter because I'm going to come in with this and line this up, and oh, it fits perfectly. Can you see it? There's my happy birthday. And that is going to go right here. And then my fairy she's going to go right here, but I'm going to have room for something. I don't know what yet. I'm going to put her in the middle. I have her, but I also have the pixie dust. We made pixie dust too. Right? Literally takes minutes to create this because the hard part's already done for you. It told you where to put your photos, it told you how many photos that you needed, and you're ready to go. And we're going to put happy birthday, and I think I'm actually going to put her down here. And then I'm going to grab my little embellishment kit. And I have our purple flowers. Again, everything matches. If you're a matchy-matchy girl like me, you are so excited. And I can just put some of these in a few spots. And I could color my fairy if I wanted. I have room to write Grace up here with my Cricut. And I am good to go. So what do you think? Super easy, right? Super, well, simple. So head over to the website, grab your simple, and get some photos out of your phone and down on paper. I gave you both the one for the Cricut, the SVG, and the .fcm, so if you're a Brother Scan and Cut user, you can use that one too. Have a great weekend. Bye.